Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to uninstall apps from Microsoft Store. So here I'll be showing you step by steps how to uninstall apps in Microsoft Store. Let's say we have downloaded an app. So here we have downloaded an app. We have Fishdom, which is installing, and the beach buggy racing with the hill climbing here. So I have three methods for you guys to uninstall this. First method is just to type it right here. Let's say we're gonna install the hill climbing race. So type in hill climbing race and just click on uninstall right here. There you go. Uninstall. There we go. Hill climbing race is now uninstalled. Hill climbing race is being uninstalled, as you can see right there. Yeah, as you can see right there, it's being deleted. And another way by doing this is by going to your settings. Right here, just type in settings. Oopsie. Then after typing in settings, click on apps. Then we have beach buggy racing right there. Type in beach buggy racing right there, and then click on uninstall right here. Or you can just do this if you want. You don't have to type settings right there. You can do Windows then I. Quick tip for you guys there, and then just go on apps and then go. You can uninstall. Another way to do it is just going to control panel. So third method is going to control panel, and then click on uninstall program. And here, find the game that you want to uninstall. After finding the game that you want to uninstall, right click and then click on uninstall. There you go, like that. And here I'm gonna give you some tips, stuff if it's not working, if it's not uninstalled and it fails to reinstall. I suggest restart your PC. Temporary store or permission glitch often fix themselves after a restart, and make sure that app isn't running. To make sure that app isn't running, control shift and then escape. Then open task manager like that. It will open the task manager, and then check on the game. Let's say the game is hill climb, but we don't have the. Let's say the game is Steam. Just right click and then click on end task right there. And then for the last resort, if it's still not working, I suggest use third-party uninstallers. But that's the last resort. If everything fails, app like Revo uninstaller here, Revo uninstaller, or maybe Geek uninstaller, right here, Geek uninstaller can remove leftover stores app files safely. And a bonus tip for you guys, check temporary files and delivery optimization files and click remove files if ever it's not working. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, just type it down in the comment section below and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.